Happy day 17. I have 2 more days to finish Christmas shopping IRL, and I'll be damned if I don't finish. I went to Savers and I found some cool stuff for Milo, so I thought I would show you. I just accidentally started a fire in the air fryer. I start a fire in there about once a week. You'd think I'd have figured it out by now, but I haven't. We're gonna make Christmas cookies together. Are you excited?
Yeah.
These are the chocolate Easter cookies that I usually make, but Cadbury comes out with the Cadbury snowballs, so I just make them for Christmas. These look so good. Good morning, guys. Happy Wednesday. Happy day 17 of Vlogmas. As you guessed it, and headed out. I have 2 more days to finish Christmas shopping IRL, and I'll be damned if I don't finish. So I'm going out right now. I am really dwindling things down. I have a couple of things in mind. I also need to go, I think I'm gonna go to Aldi because I am going to make these like little Santa hats out of strawberries and bananas and marshmallows for Milo's Christmas party at school, and I need strawberries. So I think it's kind of on my way. I will stop there, but I'm going to, well, I guess I shouldn't say in case people watch. Well, I don't have to say for who. I'm going to Marshall's and the garden center. So here we go. Come along. Again, let's cross our fingers that they have the Valentine's Day stuff from Johanna Parker, because I am dying for it, but it'll also make a great gift for my mother. Okay guys, I am back. It was a mostly successful trip. Not entirely, but pretty good. And I thought I would show you. I went to Savers and I found some cool stuff for Milo, so I thought I would show you. Got this shapes puzzle that he's going to love. It's kind of like odd shapes, but you put them on the shaped pegs. He's going to love this. I was really excited about this find because I almost bought them at Lakeshore, but I didn't. But color sorting bears. He's going to be so excited. I might give this to my mother-in-law. I'm not sure yet, but how sweet is this Winnie the Pooh frame? So either for Milo's room or for my mother-in-law. I'm gonna ask Bradley. I don't think she watches these vlogs, but if you do, whoops. I got this cool Sesame Street book that I think he's going to love. I don't know what year it's from, but it just feels vintage and the artwork is so cool. Oh, and then this was actually for my niece, but she's going to love this, and it was like in its packaging, this like decorate your own princess mirror. She's going to love this. She loves stickers and glitter. So I'm gonna throw that in her Christmas gift. So that was successful. The most successful thing I was not counting on was finding something for my father, who is the hardest person to buy for. And he straight up says, like, I don't want anything, but I'd like to give him something because it's Christmas. So I have some like random things that he'll like. I got him some like Elvis socks, and I got him, actually it's in this bag, an assortment of Christmas cookies from Aldi because the man loves his cookies. But at the garden center, I found these 2 little dogs playing tug-of-war with a stick for his Christmas village. He loves his Christmas village and he loves dogs. And so this is perfect. And so I'm really excited about that. So yeah, I'm not gonna show you the rest of the stuff because in case people are watching, but I did have a semi-successful outing. I just accidentally started a fire in the air fryer. I start a fire in there about once a week. You'd think I'd have figured it out by now, but I haven't. It always is fine, but I should really get a hold on that. I'm just making some chicken meatballs. Gonna chill for a little bit before I have to go pick up Milo, and then we need to make Christmas cookies because 2 days till the end of school, and if I want to give out cookie boxes, we gotta start making cookies. So that's on the docket for later. Okay guys, we are back from school pickup. We went to the park to play again. We're gonna make Christmas cookies together. Are you excited?
Yeah.
These are the chocolate Easter cookies that I usually make, but Cadbury comes out with the Cadbury snowballs, so I just make them for Christmas. I will leave, this is not my recipe, I found it on Instagram. I will leave it down below, but let's go ahead and get to baking.
So sugar first. Hey.
All right, can you pour this into there?
Hey.
Good job. Excellent job, dude.
Brown sugar. I love brown sugar.
You too? All right, pour that in. Good job, dude. All right, now we're gonna cream these together.
So it's going to be loud.
It shouldn't be too loud. Don't stick your hand in there, okay? It'll hurt you.
Alright,
pour in the cocoa. Careful.
Oh.
need 2 eggs.
2 eggs. Can I crack that?
Yes, you may.
I can do it.
Yes, you can. Milo, great juice. Good job. Ooh, okay. Good job, dude.
You hurry.
Yes, excellent job, though. Okay.
It's coming out. I want to do it.
Okay. You might need to crack it a little more. There you go. Stick your thumb in there and open. Good job.
Do we have chocolate chips?
There you go.
Look at that! Is it still going? It's all done now.
Oh, it looks good. All right. Now we're gonna add
Powder?
2.5 cups flour. Yes, flour.
Flour. Can I do the flour? No, I want to do it.
Okay. Just be careful,
Just
okay?
on myself.
Good job. Good job. Then we need a little more flour.
Okay.
You pour it in. Good. Okay, we're gonna pour it in.
No.
And then we need one more thing.
What? Powder?
Baking powder. Or this is baking soda.
Baking soda. No. Okay.
There we go. And that's it.
I did it?
You did it. High five. Or actually, no, wait. We gotta add the snowballs.
Can I start the snowball?
Nope.
Why?
Because they're a choking hazard. Hold on. Let me scrape down the sides. Help me push it through. Good job. Okay. Now, help me pour these in. Hands on. And just dump them in. What colors do you see?
Red, green, and white.
Very good.
That is cool.
Let me crush them up.
Push them up. Go for it. It's gonna get lost.
It's gonna get yummy. Okay, and all done. You want some chocolate chips?
Yeah.
These look so good. I have another sheet in the oven. But these cookies you want to make big. Like, I think the thing says golf ball, but I probably even do a little bit bigger. Oh, they look delicious. I cannot wait to eat one later.